Hi friends, here I'm going to talk about sorts secure coding rules, specifically C++ rules, in which today we are going to talk about how not to use rand function for generating pseudorandom numbers. First we'll see a sample code of the non-compliant version. So here you can see it's a very simple code for generating 5 random numbers between 0 to 199. So first we'll talk about what's wrong with the rand function. Firstly, it's a very weak random number generator. Secondly, its range is pretty small, that is from 0 to 32767. Thirdly, once you run it long enough, it starts repeating the numbers. Fourthly, it has a very non-uniform distribution. Let's talk about the compliant version. So here's the code which introduced in C++11. So here the uniform int distribution generates a fairly uniform range from 0 to 200. Secondly, it uses Mersenne twisted random number generator, which is pretty strong and pretty fast as compared to all other random generators. But yeah, C++11 gives options to use other random generator as well. You can check it out, its library. Here it's the same code generating 5 random numbers between 0 to 200. Let's see a demonstration. So here I've generated a very small code for printing 5 random numbers from both of our compliant and non-compliant output. Let's run the code. So here you can see both of them generated 5 random numbers. Just observe or just remember the non-compliant output. So here if you can observe, it keeps on generating, the non-compliant version keeps on generating the same random number every time I run this code, whereas the compliant version generates new every time it reruns the code. Let me demonstrate again. Hence, prefer not to use random function, default random functions given in the C++ library. Rather, make your own engine, make your own range, distribution, and then generate using the version I've explained. And then, thanks for watching.